3 troubleshooting steps you can take to fix your air conditioning system. I'm sorry to hear you're experiencing issues with your air conditioning system. If you're comfortable, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take yourself to potentially resolve the problem. First, make sure the thermostat is set to the desired temperature and that it's in the appropriate mode. Replace the batteries if necessary. Even hardwired thermostats sometimes have batteries. Second, check the air filters. Dirty or clogged filters restrict airflow and impact your system's performance. Check the filters and replace them if they're dirty. Regularly changing filters can also help prevent future issues. If you're somewhat handy and you feel comfortable, you can locate the circuit breaker for your HVAC system on your electrical panel. It may be labeled AC, furnace, air handler, or even FAU, which stands for forced air unit. Turn it off for 30 seconds and then back on again. Sometimes restarting the system can get you up and running again. If after attempting these steps your HVAC system still isn't working properly, then it's time to schedule a visit from one of our excellent service techs. We have the expertise and the tools to diagnose and repair complex issues. Give us a call at 818-780-0701 and we'll get you set up with an appointment.